Good morning, students. I am Dr. Tahira Banu, Assistant Professor of St. Charles College of Education, Tirunagar, Madurai. I am handling this BA first year course paper 2, that is C2, Contemporary India and Education. Okay. This is the full course paper. You have to write 30 marks in internal and 70 marks in external examination. Okay. Here, the first thing is the syllabus of the course paper 2, Contemporary India and Education. There are 10 units. First unit, Understanding the Social Diversity. Second unit, Education Demands of Individuals and Diverse Communities. Third unit, Indian Constitutional Values on Education. Fourth unit, Inequality, Discrimination and Marginalization in Education. Fifth unit, Policy Framework on Education, Pre-Independent India. Sixth unit, Policy Framework on Education, Post-Independent India. Seventh unit, Education Planning and Financing. Eighth unit, Language Policy in Education. Ninth unit, Midday Meal Scheme as a Socialization Process. 10th unit, Emerging Trends in Education. These are the 10 units are covered in this course paper 2, Contemporary India and Education. Okay. The first unit, Unit 1, Understanding the Social Diversity. In this unit, what are the objectives you have to learn? The first thing, you understand the meaning of social diversity, definition of social diversity, concepts of social diversity, different levels of social diversity, the causes of social diversity, the need of education for understanding social diversity. These are the objectives you have to learn in this first unit, Understanding the Social Diversity. Okay. It is a small expansion of diversity. Different individuals valuing each other regardless of their skin, intellect, talents or years. Okay. It is the introduction of understanding the social diversity in India. Okay, we know very well India is a large country with a different geopolitical condition in different parts of the country. This has brought differences in social evaluation of the groups living in different parts of the country. But apart from the geopolitical diversity, interactions with the foreigners. The foreigners came in India due to the invasions or trade and missionary activities, and the foreigners' influences and social groups coming to India. All these have impacted Indian society in one way or the other. But social diversity is one among them. But India is a unity in diversity. We should keep in mind. Okay. India is a country of social diversity. But it maintains so many harmonies among all the sections of all the society. That is, the Constitution of India has adopted federal political structure. Okay, but it helps to maintaining social unity. But the social differences gets some special attentions. That is the gender, religion, castes. But India's fundamental rights are enshrined in the Constitution with the purpose only in itself. And directive principles of state policies also help in maintaining the social diversity in India. but the political manifestations of these identities do create the problems. But the Indian Constitution meets these challenges successfully. So, we are the student teachers understand social diversity. Okay. Understand meaning of social diversity. Social diversity is the diverse factors surrounding our society. It is a diversification. So many differences, varied factors surrounding our society. That is the race, culture, religion, age, and disabilities. Diversity is the differences in racial and ethnic, socio-economic, geographic, and the academic or professional backgrounds. These can be along the dimensions of the race, ethnicity, and gender, sexual orientation, socioeconomic status, age, physical abilities, religious beliefs, political beliefs, or other ideologies, or other hopes, ideas, thoughts of the individuals. Okay, is the meaning of social diversity. And the definition of a social diversity is the feature of society which is determined by the caste, class, religion, and occupational pattern in the society. But the diversity may occur at the individual, regional, linguistic, that is the language, religious hopes, faith, and castes and the tribes level. These are the social diversity in India occurring very fast. Okay, next thing, the definition of Karl Marx. Karl Marx says the social diversity is created by the people's relationship that are because of the production of goods in society. And Kinsley David and Moore's definition. Social diversity is the system that is indispensable for its needs. Indispensable, that is the necessity of the needs and the smooth functioning of the society. This is the definition of social diversity. Okay, I hope you understand clearly what is social diversity. Definition of social diversity. Okay, understand that social diversity are the differences among the people are living in a particular territory in the personal ideas or opinions, religious faiths, and being the open-minded in their personal opinions. Okay, and but in India are made of different culture, religion, tradition, a feeling that we are all Indians makes us united as one society. That is, India is a unity in diversity. Okay, social diversity that is the product of globalization. Okay, keep in mind. Next one, concept of social diversity. Okay, first point, social diversity at the individual level that includes the personal opinions of the individuals, tolerance, various jobs, later establishment of individuals, and skills of individuals. Second point, different cultural backgrounds of society brings the social diversity. Third one, activities of people who speak different languages lay the foundation for the social diversity. Next point, activities of minority people bring the social diversity to the society. These are the concepts of social diversity. Next one, diversity, type, and the percentage of distribution. Okay, first one, scheduled caste. That is SC, 5% of distribution, OBCs 15%, Tribals are 4%, Muslims 10%, PWDs 2%, and the others 5%. These are the diversity type and percentage of distribution. Okay.